Hi, I'm Ernie Medina with TRB, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about our handgun programs that we have. We have a day-long handgun program where it's essentially a intensive program where we will start from, hey, this is a firearm and the basic mechanics and fundamentals, and by the end of the day, we're going to be doing some dynamic shooting drills, and some really fun stuff. So it's a really intense program. Even if you are a new-time shooter or an experienced shooter, certainly will have value and benefit from this, because we're going to go ahead and start from the basic principles, fundamentals, mechanics, and work those. And as we go throughout the day, we're going to be working more dynamic drills, shooting and moving, multiple target engagement, and many other things that you will be able to take to your home defense program. Even if you're a CCW holder, some techniques and manipulations that you can actually use in your follow-on training. So join us for our day-long program where we'll focus on the fundamentals all the way up to the more advanced stuff. We'll have a good time and shoot with some really good people. Love to see you there. Love to train with you.